arranged marriage and what is some of it also I quickly discussed and my strong opinion is what is the method it is either arranged marriage or love marriage. After the marriage, the their life is depends on their understanding. If they are good, if there is a good understanding between the couples, definitely their life are also good. Even they are married, whether they are married, arranged marriage or love marriage. If there is a not good understanding between the couples, how they are married, it is arranged marriage or love marriage, then life will be not good. Because first that I believe that my personal opinion is mainly the life, good life of the couple after the marriage depends on their love and their understanding. It is not based on it is arranged marriage or love marriage. In both of them, there is a good life. So that I am not support. I cannot support a particular one marriage. I support both of marriages. Correct.
I agree with you. But in my opinion, I support the love marriages because in love marriages, the both couples are to be understanding mainly. It is mainly depends on understanding. If both are get understanding, so they can manage themselves with their parents. If parents are satisfied with their understanding, so they can marry. So the parents can be married to their couples. So in love marriages, all the in love marriages, all the partners, sorry, in love marriages, all the in some cases, love marriages are done by without convincing the parents by jumping out from the cannot. It is not basically false. So it is true that they are fed up with the convincing the parents of their love. So they are doing like this.
Good morning, friends. My name is Chandrakant. I strongly supported the arranged marriage because of nowadays most people are for love, but nowadays our parents also show freedom to arrange marriage also. First of all, you choose one and take the information of family background and his behavior also. Mostly arranged marriages are successful today because of marrying person also. Take her opinion also, and if you only like, then only continue to marriage, and also checking the both sides. His family is good or bad, and his behavior is good or not, and he is a fake person or original, and take the all details of that person, and take the opinion also who married person also. And olden days there is no possibility, only family decisions, only final decision. But nowadays, family persons also importance to person who will marry you. If it is you like, then only we continue the marriage. Nowadays, a new couple is they married, they struggle more problems in nowadays. So much. Money wastages and also there is no idea of present situation in new people. There is much family support also, but there is no love marriage. Most of people, family people not understanding the love marriage, and mostly I strongly supported to the arranged marriage because there is a strong family support. My life is arranged marriage is good because of mutual understanding these families also and supporting the new people and either family support or money support. The love marriage, some family is okay, some other family is not okay to do this marriage. So there is only one way to support, but arranged marriage both will support and mutual understanding. Then only we continue the marriage. This is nowadays situation. The olden days there is no possibility, but nowadays mostly preferable persons. If they okay, then only passes. This is my opinion. Thank you guys.
Supported arranged marriages. Why means suppose if two couples are the boy and girl, if they are in love but not married, still they are in loving. If there any misunderstanding, they will see after 1 year, after 2 years they are loving. If there any mistake, they will certainly they will break. But in arranged marriages, when they are two people are married, after 6 months or 1 year, if there any misunderstanding, they will be understanding each other. Why means the two people are newly, they don't know each other what he is, what she is. So they will be understand slowly. So I supported arranged marriage.
Yes, I agree about that. But today, today generations and today the life is both of the arranged marriages are break up because of misunderstanding. Because they have no understanding with each other. But in love marriage they have understanding, but they don't know how to lead a life after the marriages. But in I supported love with arranged marriages. Why? Because they have understanding between the love and they supported mutual understanding because of the loves. But in arranged marriages, they not having understanding for each other. So today in society they have both of the arranged marriage also break up. I agree about that. Love and arranged marriage is best. My friends.
I supported both love and arranged marriages. Nowadays, love marriages break up in middle, but arranged marriages are parents' opinions and he shown his bridegrooms and bride. Couples are married, arranged marriages. How family bond, long family bond. He shows 7 parents of his family. In love marriages, couples are understanding only. Couples are giving only love. He does not understanding and couples does not have parent support. Only love marriages. Love is encouraging couples. So I agree both.
I don't agree with you, friend. What is love is only means understanding between two couples. So from a boy will follow for one girl from within 2 months. So they came to understand between the 2 months. So a boy can do everything for girl, whatever he wants. Like he talks about how to keep happy his love and his girlfriend. So there is no need to have convincing from the parents. So he can live happily with this couple from life. So but this is usually there is no need to convince to the parents because after marrying couple will come with this perfect. The family will be strictly supported until to the marriage only. They will not support after the marriage. So it should be based on the couples only. They should only solve all problems which are based to them. So
my opinion is love marriage is good.
My friends, my name is Adarsh. I support love marriages because the relationship starts from love. In love, people around me takes gives and takes dowry in arranged marriage. This is not a right thing for securing their daughter to. So in love marriages, they understand both and they know each other, their likes, dislikes, and their qualities. So love marriage is better than marriage.
See that the love people, the two people who are in love, if they are started after 6 months or 1 year, the girl has noticed that if there is do any mistake that what she can quarrel with that person only that time. You are doing like that, you are doing like this. That time only she break up or continue. But in arranged marriages, when after marriage, she know that her husband was doing that good or bad. If she know that her husband is doing anything mistake, she can only communicate with husband. She can ask her husband, don't do like that. Our life will be, we are not doing like that, our life will be good. So she request her husband. But love, she cannot. If she start like that time only she can break with love. But in arranged marriage, it's not like that. Why means when after marriage is over, she have to stay with husband only. How he is bad or good. She has to convince her husband to go in a good way. That's why I support her.
In arranged marriages also there are many problems. We have to stay because in love marriages we love each other, right? So we have to judge each other. We have not to judge each other. So in love marriages, in arranged marriages also problems comes. In love marriages, we know each other, right? So we will solve our problems.
If they are understand each other, they will get so ready married. If they are not understanding, that time only they will break up their love. But not like that in arranged marriages, not.
Yes, I agree, but in love marriages, they have any quarrel with each other. They don't know what is the problem. Why? Because they both are equal in love marriages. Each and every understanding. I also equal with you. Why I convince with you? That's why they don't know what is the problem with this quarrel. But in arranged marriages, they are quarreling with each other. They don't know what is the problem. The family will come and what is the problem and solve the problem with each other. The family support is there in arranged marriages. But in love marriage, there is no any support of the family. If there any cause, they must solve with each other only. They don't know they solve this problem. They must break with each other. But in arranged marriage, they are not breaking. Because there are one family is there. Any quarrel with the family will come. What is the problem? They have solved the problem and convince with each other. So the arranged marriage is best than love marriages. But the arranged marriage also the problem is there today. I agree with this love marriage with arranged marriages. It's the best.
Arranged marriage, why? Because any accident came to couples, the parents solve their problems like financial. In love marriage, they do not come parents to solve the problems. Because I support arranged marriage.
Yes, I agree with you. In arranged marriage, parents are supported to children in their problems. In love marriage, parents are not supported to the children. My opinion is in nowadays the parents nowadays people they don't know what is love, what is attraction. They fall in attraction, but they think it is love. They do mistakes in their life. In a love marriage, parents are not supported. In arranged marriages, parents supported to children of their problems. My opinion is arranged marriage is better.
Arranged marriages and love marriage depends on the understanding capacity. They don't have understanding capacity. Or love marriage or arranged marriage are break. Also, arranged marriages are also failed because of they don't have understanding capacity between them. My personal opinion is love marriage is best because of before marriage they know the characters, what are the characters, how is not, if is she or he suitable or not, if he is suitable to me, so I recognize them. If he is not suitable for me, so I will reject them. If there are chances in love marriage. Some cases in divorce cases seamless in arranged marriage. Love marriage in love marriages so many problems in love marriages. Arranged marriages reach successfully have them lives. So love marriages they are measure. They understand what are their characters also. In arranged marriage also that, but arranged marriage are also paid. Nowadays, dowry is the main role of arranged marriages. In love marriages, they don't take dowry. It is the plus point in love marriage.
Yes, guys, you are finding some disadvantages in both of them. First of all, you pointed that in arranged marriage, family support will be there to the couple. Yes, the family support will be there if their parents are good or rich. If they also support. Sometimes they also poor. They also can't helpless. How can we get support from family also? And one more thing is family support is there up to some time. After they pass out, what you do? Who support to you? That's why we can't say arranged marriage is good because of family support will be there to the couple. It is not that I'm not agreeing to you. And if you are accepting support from your family, it is not good up to you because they can't support to you long life. You have to struggle your problems. You have to face your problems, and you have to capacity of facing problems and solving them. You can't expect any support from your family. Of course, you can accept. You can hope some support, little support from your family, not much. And one more thing you pointed in love marriages, there is a breakup going on, and there is not parents not support to you. But to support you want to support your parents to you. First you have to convey your parents. Your parents believe you when you are good with your parents. If your parents hope and believe my child is good, his behavior is good, and I have confidence on my child, he do right every time, means parents also agree with you. If you are doing parents are not agree with you when you are doing some mistake. For suppose nowadays generation mostly thinking like love is attraction, and love is means if she or he is beautiful and she have some qualities, it is they are thinking like it is a love, and they are ready to marriage. That's why some parents are not agree with their child, and they are not ready to go for their go forward. Mm. If the parents have confidence in you, then they also support you. They also agree to marriage to your marriages. And one more thing is, if you are loving, first you have to you need to think why I am loving he or she. What is the reason? For it is if it is a reason, she has good she or he has good character, behavior, both good understanding, then it is better to marriage. Otherwise, if you are loving him just because of his beauty or some activities, it is not good to think it is a love. And I strongly believe that if it is a love marriage or a arranged marriage, if there is a good understanding and a honesty and good communication between the couples, a bonding will be between the couples will be lifelong. That is my opinion.
That's right. I totally agree with you. Arranged marriages, what the parents think that, how the parents can think that he is only right person to my daughter. He can take care of my daughter to the whole life. But it is not correct. It is a false. How can the people come to know that it is only a right person? Because the time of understanding between the two persons is critically low. But in law marriages, it is not like that. It's not like that. After the convincing of the both characters from the parents, she can only think that it is only right person to her family or his couple. My strictly opinion is to what the parents think in marriages is they want all money, they want money from the opposite people and society, good name from the society. It is a common for all peoples that if a boy proposes to if the boy proposes to other person or she strictly come to know that what is my character of proposing to her and what the good name is, what the good name for me in society, how could be able to achieve my goal by convincing my partner. We come to know understand how to decide. So after the following from 2-3 months, the couple came to understand someone pointed that the all in law marriages mostly depends upon in problems only. The family background support is not there. It is false. Why means the problem comes understand between the less understanding. After that, they can solve the problems by they can solve the problem with strictly understanding and thinking of what is the problem. So my plan is to love marriage is better than arranged marriage.
Because after marriage, in arranged marriage, after marriage, we should face some problems. At the time of giving any suggestion to parents to us, but better than love marriage, arranged marriage. In love marriage, it is not there parents support. But I think love marriage is better.
Hi friends. In my opinion, arranged marriage is good. In our religion, arranged marriages are very good because of relations can be improved and parents can be housing daughters or sons. I mostly support arranged marriages.
Only 2 minutes remaining.
Love marriages have the right because if the two people are in love, it will be attraction. Some people also have not attraction, but where some couples are, there is a between some attraction. They will not taking any permissions and with their parents, they will go to direct and get married. After marriage, they will be understand each other. What we why we can't understand each other. It is not a love marriage. It is just attraction. That's why they will ready to get to dowry.
When as you said, it is correct. I agree with you. And that was I am saying. First of all, first you have to think before you loving your opposite gender. And if it is love or not, it is better to after thinking and realizing. If it is really love and do you know the meaning of love, it is better to go for marriage. And most of you supporting arranged marriage, and you are pointing that in arranged marriage family support will be there and relationship relationship be good, and our religion people are also near to us, and our parents also sometimes give support. If we do any mistake, they ready to give other suggestions or counseling. As you said, it is correct. If you do not do mistakes, any mistakes, what is the need of counseling of parents? There is no need of parents counseling or suggestions for you. If you are correct, there is not necessary of your parents. And you are saying religious support will be there. If you take religion, future you are not living with your religion, you are living with your behalf and your partner. You have to think about your partner and behalf. Instead of thinking your partner, you only think your people. If your partner is not good, you have to suffer in future. That's why it is not correct. You have to think first your partner. Whatever the matter it is love or arranged, first of all you have to think your couple, your behalf, because you are going to spend your remaining entire life your behalf and your partner. That's why it is better to first understanding your opposite gender, and again then better to go for marriage.
Okay guys, thank you. The time up. Thank you for the participating.